Aku kirim link nanti. Mulai.
Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Hello Nana. Good
Halo,
evening,
good evening.
Nana. So, actually Hasna, aka Nana, she's my friend from boarding school. Like we always met in boarding school like every day. And I choose her as my partner for this text is apa itu? Tunggu, Intermediate Academic English Target 3 Fall eh, sorry, Target 2 Fall 1. So like talking with friends. Okay. So apa ya? So I don't know. Okay. So how are you, Nana?
Sorry, I'm good. How about you?
Great. Okay, good. Everything. So we move to the question. Yeah. Okay. So actually, Kira, I asked her about this, nah,
Hmm.
for to be my partner in sama as like you gitu.
Apa?
Nah, okay, guys. Next, next question. Next question. So, taduh. Aduh, aku jadi bingung. Aku mau nanya apa ini ke kamu? Terus, apa nak?
Kamu
Langsung aja.
mau nanya hal yang sama kayak
Iya kan?
kirim.
Kayak tadi, maksudnya langsung aja ke pertanyaan. Let's
Let's uh,
we start.
hmm, let's
Okay.
start to the first question.
Okay, guys. Let's start the question number 1. So, what semester are you in right now, and what are your plans after graduation, Nana?
I'm currently in sixth semester right now, and after I graduate, I'm planning to start working right away and gain some real world experience, inshallah.
Okay. So, next question. Question number 2. Have you ever felt regret or thought like, why did I choose this major, and what made you feel that way?
Regret, yes, sometimes I do feel that way. I actually have more interest in design related things, something like that, but I try to do my best in my major right now in software engineering. Is always demand and has a great opportunity for my future.
Hmm. Okay. Next question. What's one thing you've learned outside the classroom that really changed the way you think?
I think learning to collaborate with different kind of people really changed my perspective, and it taught me that soft skill like communication and teamwork are just as important as technical skills.
So, okay. Okay. Next question. Have your dreams or goals changed since you entered university?
Hmm, those change, yes, they have. I've gained a better understanding of how coding works. I used to just be curious about how software was made, but now I actually enjoy the process of creating it.
Hmm. Okay. Next question. What's something you wish your lecturer or campus understood better about student?
I wish they understood that students like us also have personal life out there and sometimes need flexibility. And not everything is about deadlines, and we also need time to breathe and grow for ourselves.
Okay. Okay, next question. How do you deal with stress, pressure, or even loneliness during your college life?
I usually take a break and do my hobbies like drawing or watching something fun online, like movies or something. And it helps me reset my mind and relax.
Okay, wait. Do you think university really prepares students for real life or the working world?
In some way, yes, we learn discipline, time management, and how to handle pressure. Also, in my university, in IPB University, we also had more practical experience like internship.
So have you been internship? Okay.
I haven't, but in next semester I will do internship.
Mm. So do you have planning like where you going to internship?
I actually going to on my planning. I go internship to my university
Hmm.
because they open apa ya namanya?
Recruitment.
Because they open recruitment and yeah, I joined them.
Okay. So the next question. What's the biggest apa nih bacanya? What's the biggest sacrifice ya? Sacrifice you made to stay in college?
Probably giving up time with my family and my friends because I miss a lot of moment because I had to focus on assignment and my projects.
Okay. Next question. Is there any habit or mindset you've developed in college that you think will help you for the rest of your life?
Yes, I've learned to be more independent and to manage my time better. That mindset will help me a lot in the future, I hope.
If you could design a new subject or course at your university, what would it be and why?
I'd love to create a course that combines design and technologies, maybe something like UI UX design for beginners. It will help students who are interested in both ways like me. Suara
Nah,
Dirli masuk gak?
apa?
Berisik ya suara di rumahku ya.
Tadi sempat berapa menit yang lalu.
Guys, jangan berisik, lagi Zoom.
Nggak apa-apa sih.
Oh, biarin. Emang berisik lah ya.
I didn't understand what you say in the answer because I'm not into that. Because
Iya.
my major is communication, so I didn't understand what major you like ngerti gak sih kayak
Uh,
gua gak ngerti yang lu omongin tuh maksudnya apa,
uh,
kayak coding tuh gua gak ngerti.
kamu nggak tahu UI UX-nya kak atau gimana? Aku harus jelasin apa?
Sebenarnya aku agak tahu-tahu dikit yang kayak coding, maksudnya yang dia ngedesain sebuah aplikasi gitu, kayak waktu itu kan sempet lewat juga di FYP aku kayak eh ini agak susah sih, dia tuh kayak ada apa tuh namanya, ribet deh pokoknya, yang ngoding-ngoding gitulah. Terus ya udah aku ngeliatnya kayak ih ribet, aku nggak ngerti gitu.
Kamu
Tapi
mau aku jelasin pakai bahasa Inggris atau gimana?
apa,
Kamu mau aku jelasin pakai bahasa Inggris atau gimana? Maksudnya buat di video atau kamu emang bertanya gitu?
sebenarnya kalau kamu bisa pakai bahasa Inggris nggak apa-apa sih, bisa, coba kalau nggak bisa nggak apa-apa, kalau pakai bahasa Indonesia aja.
Bisa tapi belepotan.
Ya nggak
Mau yang
apa-apa,
milih yang mana?
campuran aja, campuran
Nggak apa-apa emang.
nggak apa-apa, buat
Kamu mau,
tambahan-tambahan yang nonton nanti.
eh, kamu mau nanya ulang atau aku langsung jawab?
Langsung jawab aja.
If you confused what am I doing in my major right now, um, basically some application or software like you are using right now, Zoom or WhatsApp, Instagram, it made by people kan.
Hmm.
It's not like computer. It's computer, but we um we have we human have a role on made things like that. Like we are coding it to make it. If you confuse what UI UX is, UI UX is basically user interface or user experience. So when we made an application, we're not just like made it, but we should do research like what user like, what is user want to have on that application, what that user uh, have to accept that they can they can use the application better gitu. Kayak gimana caranya si user itu, pengguna itu bisa nyaman pakai aplikasi itu dan dipakai buat berkepanjangan gitu.
Jadi
Jadi
kayak
kan,
kamu gitu yang ngontrol gitu ya, maksudnya kayak ini gitu gitu.
jadi sebelum kita ngoding itu harus
Heeh.
ada UX, harus ada UI UX. Jadi kayak misalnya Instagram itu kan tampilannya cantik kayak ibarat
Heeh.
ada tombol, bahkan tombol profil yang ada di sebelah kanan jari jempol kamu itu pun dipikirin itu tuh karena mereka lebih mudah buat mencet ke sana gitu karena mereka kan
Heeh.
file gitu. Itu tuh ada researchnya, ada cara belajarnya gitu. Terus kayak kenapa kenapa mereka naruh Instagram Stories above the application, ya karena ada alasannya juga gitu loh, nggak yang tiba-tiba oh taruh aja di sana kelihatannya cantik, nggak gitu juga gitu, karena itu kebutuhan mereka gitu. Mereka kan lebih gampang buat lihat IG di paling atas karena disediain, atau mungkin cara kita bikin Instagram Stories kan tinggal slide gitu ya.
Heeh.
Nah itu juga karena user gitu loh, karena user kan kalau bikin kan nggak mau yang tombolnya ribet-ribet karena kan itu kan ibaratnya ngambil momen ya, jadi harus cepat, jadi ya udah di slide gitu, slide ada kamera tinggal upload gitu.
Like apa ya? Like they made for us and apa tadi gue mau ngomong apa
You should
tadi?
do research for making application, not just build it, but we have to research first and then build it gitu.
Oh gitu ya, aku baru tahu.
Panjang
Maksudnya di
sebenarnya.
bagian yang stories itu kan biasa di atas gitu. Aku baru tahu kalau kayak gitu ada iniannya
Ya,
researchnya ya.
semua aplikasi itu pasti ada itu.
Ribet
Kenapa
ya.
ini ada, kenapa ini ada apa namanya? Ada fitur background, kenapa? Itu ada alasannya pasti.
Hmm, keren, keren.
Gitu.
So, next question. Do you feel like your opinion is valued in your classes and why or why not?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It really depends on the lecturer. Some are open to discussion, and while others just want us to follow their rules.
Okay. So, next question. What's one moment in your university life that you'll never forget?
The first time I presented a big project in front of the class, I was nervous, but after it, I was done. I felt really proud of myself.
Be proud of you. Okay, next question. Have you ever failed a subject or done poorly in class? Like, how do you deal with it?
If I struggled before, I tried to stay calm, reflect on what went wrong on myself, and ask for help from my friend. It also taught me to be more responsible.
Mm. So, next question. What motivates you to keep going when university life get tough?
I always remind myself why I start this journey. I think about my goals and the people who support me. That gives me the strength to keep going.
So, okay, next question. Is there a time you felt really proud of yourself as a student? What happened?
Yes, when I managed to finish a coding project by me and my team. It showed me how much I've grown.
Mm. So, next question. What's something you think is overrated about being in college?
Maybe the idea that grades are everything. They are important, but there's is so much more to life and learning than just a grade.
Next question. How do you usually spend your time outside of class?
Like I was mentioned before, I like to do my hobbies. I like to relax, draw, hang out with friends, and just watch something fun online.
Tunggu. You should hang out, nak.
Do I look
Let's we
like
eat sushi again in
huh?
Ion. Let's we eat sushi again.
Yes, please. Invite me, please. I would like to go.
Okay, next question. What does a successful student look like to you?
For me, a successful student is someone who learns from their mistakes, grow through challenges, and stay kind, also consistent, like that.
Next question. Do you think social media affect how students feel about themselves in university?
Absolutely, yes. It can make people feel pressure to look perfect or be super duper productive all the time. We need to remember that everyone's journey and path is different.
Kayak kasih makan Instagram ya.
Aku udah lama nggak buka my first Instagram because I was super warm watching it. No, I will not open it again.
Sama, aku kayak sekarang lebih ke yang kedua udah di situ aja.
Me too. Makanya waktu itu Nuki tuh sampai ngechat aku kayak, nah kok lu hilang dari first account? Kemarin di second account aku rame aja gitu.
Oh, dia nggak nge-follow ini ya, second lu ya?
Nah, second aku cewek semua. Aku mau bikin yang buat cowok juga tapi kayak nanti deh.
Okay, next question. Have you ever been involved in any campus organization or event? What did you learn?
Yes, I joined some event and committees and I learned how to work in team and how to organize things better. And it was fun and useful.
Yeah. Next question. If you could talk to your first year self, what advice would you give?
I would say like, now please don't be too hard on yourself and it's okay to try something and to make a mistake and learn along the way.
Okay. So, next question. What kind of support do you think students need more of from their
Tirli jangan teriak-teriak.
sama
Udah
di
Nuki.
aku juga. Ulang.
Aduh.
It's okay. What kind of support do you think students need more of from their campus?
I think we need more mental health support and career
Yeah.
guidance. It would really help us feel more prepared and less overwhelmed.
Okay. So, have you ever felt like giving up? Like, what helped you stay?
Yes, there were times I feel like giving up until now, actually, but talking to close friend and remember my goals helped me get back on track.
Okay. So, next question. Do you ever compare yourself to other students? Like, how do you handle it?
I do sometimes, but I try to focus on my own progress instead. Everyone has their own pace, and that's okay.
Mm. Yeah, so this is the last question.
Okay.
What do you want to remember most from your time as a student?
I want to remember the struggle, the friendship, and how much I've grown. I want to remember the journey, not just the destination.
Okay. That's it. All.
Okay.
Terus apa lagi ya penutupannya? Okay. Thank you so much, Nana, for to be my
Sure.
partner in this text, this segment. I would love when we can go out again with the ih,
Bagus.
kayaknya kita harus ke Dufan lagi deh. Aku pengen ke Dufan lagi.
Ya ampun, belum puas kah?
Bukan, janji-janji abis ini aku nggak takut naik yang tinggi-tinggi.
Okay. We should go to Dufan again.
Oke. When ya? bingung.
Iya, aku cari uang sendiri dulu.
Iya, sama aku lagi juga cari
Belum
pundi-pundi
kerja
dulu.
soalnya.
It's okay,
Info
it's okay. Si Di juga lagi sibuk. Dia lagi sibuk banget kemarin. Di ini banget. Ih, oh ya, atau enggak? Oke, bahasa Inggris dulu.
belum penutupan.
So, last week we have like gathering from high school. Then why you didn't came?
It's because I have a schedule for my internship. Like we have meeting before internship like that, so I can join you guys. I'm sorry. I want to, but yeah, I feel sad when I see you guys on my Instagram story. But you guys seem so fun. Like I want to join, but I can't. It's not because
But
I don't want to, but I can't.
set sih soalnya kayak kebetulan banget ada Asti. Itu tuh aku gak nyangkanya kayak wah ada Asti nih. Jadi maksudnya kayak seru gitu loh. Itu kamu tau gak? Itu tuh banyaknya anak yang kumpul IPA 2 tahu.
Ya aku pas Asti aja sempet ngechat aku kan, ikut apa enggak? Anjir Asti mau ikut, gua nggak bisa ikut. Aku udah lama
Iya
gak ketemu Asti.
sedih. Terus aku sempet ke kosannya Ririn. Tadinya mau numpang tidur, cuman aku nggak bisa tidur. Akhirnya aku jajan basko.
Berarti ke PPM.
Iya ke PPM. Oh itu PPM.
Hmm.
Tahu nggak? Aku kira jangan berisik Fatih, Dut. Woi.
Halo Pati.
Tuh, Dek, nih mau lihat kan nih teman kakak. Sini nggak kelihatan muka kamu di sini.
Halo Pati. Kamu suka dijemput sama Kakak Tori ya? Ke sekolah.
Kamu. Tahu.
Halo.
Mana mukamu, Dut? Nih naikin lagi Dut. Jangan panggil aku Dut, oi. Udah. Jangan berisik Dut. Sebentar aja ya, Dut. Eh, gitu. Apa tadi nanya sampai mana?
Hmm.
Tadinya
Datang.
Tadinya tuh aku sebenarnya mau nginep karena itu tuh kebetulan banget aku jam 1 udah kelar kelasnya. Terus
Hmm.
kayak aku ngerasa oh mungkin aku bisa nih ikut. Terus kayak ada motor juga kan. Ya udahlah aku motoran. Aku kira tuh di situ nyampe maksudnya perjalanan dari Tangsel kan kebiasaannya 2 jam kan. Dari
Hmm.
rumahku loh ya, dari rumahku. Terus kampus aku tuh sebenarnya dia posisinya